Hello students. In this chapter there are so many problem is there. This comes in a competitive exam and then GATE exam. Okay, so I have discussed about some problems, 5 problems. The first problem, okay, I have to find out the noise figure or noise factor. Okay, the noise factor, we know that the signal to noise ratio input divided by signal to noise ratio at the output. So all the value are given. Okay, so noise factor or noise figure will be I have just putting the value, and for in dv case I just 10 log base 10 into f, I find out this value. Okay, in the second problem, okay, the noise figure at the input side and the output side are given in the dv form. Okay, so we know that noise figure is the formula is a signal to noise ratio input divided by signal to noise ratio at the output. If this is the magnitude form, if this is in dv form, so this will be the dv form, the division will be minus. So we have put here the minus form is there. Okay, from this we have find out the our value. At the fourth problem, the two stage is there, two stage cascading system is there. Okay, and their gain and noise figure is given in dv form. So I have already discussed when when you will find out the problem. Okay, when you find out the noise figure problem, the value should be, this value should be in magnitude form, not in the dv form. So all the dv you have to convert it in the magnitude form. So 10 dB means 10 equal to 10 log base 10 g1. So 10 divided by 10, this will be 1. So 10 to the power 1 equal will be 10. So g1 equal to 10. Similarly 10 dB, this will makes g2 equal to 10. 10 dB f1 makes f1 equal to 10. 10 dB f2, this will makes f2 equal to 10. This will like this. So all the, when for this formula, all the f1 value should be in magnitude form, not in dB form. That's we have find out this. Similarly, for this problem, okay, this problem is given, but you have a, this in the g1, first for g1 dv and equivalent temperature given, g2 f2 g3 f3 given. So equivalent noise figure, we know that the formula will be look like that, but here the f1 on f1 is not given. So we find out the, from this formula we will find out the f1. Okay, so we have found out the value of the f1 and put the value here. Okay, here the figure f2 equal to 5 dB, this means in magnitude this will be 4. The f3 will 12 dB, this magnitude will be 16. Okay, magnitude will be 16. Similarly g1 30 dB, 30 dB means g1 equal to 10 to the power 3. G2 20 dB, 20 dB means g2 equal to 10 square. G3 is 40 dB, that means g3 will be 10 to the power 4. Okay, all the value is put here and we get the noise figure, equivalent noise figure here. Then the equivalent noise temperature formula, T equivalent equal to F minus 1 into T0. So T0 is not given in the question, then your T0 will be the room temperature. Room temperature means this will be 27 degree, that means the 300 Kelvin. Okay, 300 Kelvin is given. So remember that if the T0 is not given, this is room temperature, this is 27 degree centigrade, that means the 300 Kelvin is given. Okay, so students, please practice all the 5 problem, and this will help in the future. Okay.